Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by importing clean data so your analysis is reliable. First, identify the file type and encoding, then use data-get and transform to load it. When previewing, set delimiters and column types explicitly. This avoids text stored as numbers. Once done, trim spaces, remove empty rows, and standardize dates to YIMMDD so Excel recognizes them. You do this to prevent downstream errors, and it makes formulas and pivot tables behave predictably, saving time later. Now structure your sheet for speed. Convert the import to a table so formulas use structured references and new rows inherit formats. This reduces formula maintenance. For lookups, prefer index and match. They are more robust than VLOOKUP and use SUMIFs for multi-condition aggregation. When analyzing, leverage dynamic arrays like filter and unique for instant subsets. Add well-named helper columns and named ranges to simplify complex formulas. Make sure to apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers. This reveals errors and patterns immediately. Finish by automating and validating your workbook so results are repeatable. Build pivot tables and add slicers for interactive reports. This reduces manual filtering. Use Power Query to automate ETL and record macros for repetitive UI tasks, but keep logic in queries or formulas where possible. Validate outputs with data validation rules and cross-checks. Compare totals, row counts, and sample values. If something breaks, clear the cache and refresh queries, then step back through recent transforms. That one troubleshooting step often reveals the mismatch causing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.